How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually get dark mode on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd actually like to get the dark mode on Snapchat, then all you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and launch this Snapchat application. Then you can see that currently I'm on the lighter theme, because you can see my theme over here is just lighter theme basically. So if I want to get the dark theme, first of all I have to open the Snapchat app, then just tap the Bitmoji icon from the top left of the screen. Then I'll come to my profile page, right? Then once I come to my profile page, I'll need to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. As I tap the gear icon here, I'll be able to see all this sorts of information. When I scroll down to the option called app appearance, and then just tap on it. As and when I go to app appearance, I have three options to match the system theme, or to select always light or always dark. Now you can just choose the option called always light in this case if you want a light theme, or you can select always dark. And match system basically means if your iPhone is in light mode, Snapchat will switch to light mode. If your iPhone is in dark mode, Snapchat will switch to dark mode, and that's how it works. But to get a permanent dark theme, you can just select dark and Snapchat will switch to the dark mode. And that is it for today's video on how you can actually get dark mode on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.